So, you know, I'm from Europe here. We don't have like a lot of good places in Europe. Yeah. Close the fucking gate, you bastard, yeah. So, we went on a bike ride. It's in the middle of the forest. Yeah, we got a gate. We opened the gate. Yeah. Oh, look at this. It's like I'm in a fucking Harry Potter movie, innit? Wingardium Leviosa. This is fucking Bushmate. Oh, look at that. Look at that sign. What that sign saying? Caution. Yeah, caution. Yeah. Fuck off, you cunt. Yeah, look at that house. Shit. It looks spooky if you will ask me, mate, innit? Well, you reckon somebody's living in here? I don't think somebody's living in there, innit? So let's go have a look at that pond in it. Oh, look at that fish, mate. Oi, come see the fish. Mate, they have some big boy fish in there, lad. Yeah, sick. Oh, that's a small deer. Yeah, if you will move from the way, yeah.
These ones like humans, isn't it? Like, these ones will come.
Yeah. That was really nice in here, to be fair. We just managed to see a deer. And it's all the way there and it's running now.
I zoomed in, it fucked off. Maybe they don't feed them here.
Alright, but look at this.
Yeah, Foxy bingo.
What are we looking at?
Look, the deer's literally chilling in the bush now. Oh, I'm way too far from my bike.
Yeah, same, but oh, mate. Reckon this is abandoned?
No, it's the RSPB place. That place that would come in from the start.
Mate, this fucking place looks spooky.
You still recording?
Yeah. I won't lie, yeah, this place looks spooky as fuck.
Our bike's still there anyway. Hey, look inside, look. Got big fat logs on fire. Don't look inside because people actually might be in there, innit?
I'm not sure if people like lives in here, but I will tell you that, yeah. They will have to pay me $1 million, yeah, to stay a fucking night in here because
You can see the bikes over there, innit?
it's fucking spooky, mate. This is spooky. Like, I mean, imagine this all in dark, yeah. I mean, it's a good house to have, but it's like literally in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by daffodils. What the fuck?
People come in here when it's like clean and fresh, like.
Yeah.
To be fair, I didn't see that many people in the woods anyway. Just put a pair of books out there.
Look at that tree. He has a bull sack.
Yeah, lad, you just keep going, innit?
Weird.
Oh, I'm now going way too far from my bike.
Oh, that's sick. That's absolutely sick, isn't it?
What's that stone? It's a bit dinky.
Yep, that's muddy. Whoop.
This is that place I was trying to find last time. Remember I kept saying about?
Yeah, why, mate? Imagine living in this like sort of mansion.
Don't walk on the grass. Walk on the grass and bastard.
I just did.
Imagine this in the summer though, look. That's
What?
That's
What?
that camellia that I've got at home. That pink
That's a
one.
rose.
And then once I got at home.
Yeah, that's a rose. Maybe not.
It's that camellia one.
What, you saying not fucking walk on the grass when there's the fucking benches over there? So how